Good morning, everyone. This is Albert, one of the real estate salesperson of Amaya in Davideland. And for today's video, I will show you one of the Amaya Lands project here inside New Valley, the Amaya Series New Valley. Naipakita ko na sa inyo ang ating 3-story townhouse na Series 100. Ngayon naman, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ating Series 65. Nandito na tayo sa entrance ng ating Amaya Series New Valley. So, ang ipepresent natin sa inyo today is ang offerings natin. So, this is the first townhouse project ni Amaya Land inside New Valley. Napakaganda ng security dito dahil kailangan muna nilang hingiin yung identity ng mga papasok. So still, it's an executive subdivision. So for those who are looking for a property inside New Valley and sabihin natin na hindi pasok doon sa budget ninyo yung mga single detached and single attached unit na available sa Avida, then Amaya Series New Valley is one of the best option for you. So this is a townhouse project. Ang ino-offer natin dito is meron tayong 2-story townhouse, which is yung nakikita ninyo ngayon. Yung 2-story townhouse natin is nasa phase 1 siya, but for the phase 2, which is ongoing na ang construction, doon na tayo magkakaroon ng mixed na 2-story and ng ating 3-story townhouse. So as you can see sa video natin, malinis yung daanan and yung mga bahay natin is maaliwalas tignan. So makikita ninyo nandito ang ating basketball court. Ayan. And then you have here our swimming pool. Ayan po yung ating swimming pool. Ongoing po ang construction. And here is the clubhouse. Siyempre, isa sa mga i-consider natin, no, kapag nagsisearch tayo ng property na lilipatin natin or pag-i-invest natin is i-make sure natin na ano ba yung mga amenities na meron yung subdivision. Kasi siyempre, kapag rest day natin, gusto naman natin mag-spend ng time with our family. So, having this kind of amenities will help us to create more memories with our family. And here is our Series 65. This is a 2-story townhouse. Meron tayong available na end unit and inner unit. For the lot area, again, it's still in 60 square meters sa ating phase 2. For end unit, ang ating lot area is 84 square meters. For our carport, it can fit 1 car. Pero if end unit ang nakuha ninyo and may extra pang space, maybe it can fit 2 cars. So again, for end unit, meron tayong additional area dito sa gilid which can be part of our pocket garden or additional space for our service area and laundry area. So check natin siya. Ang kinagandahan, no, kapag end unit talaga nakuha mo, may additional talaga siyang windows, no, na nagbibigay ng direct sunlight sa loob ng ating bahay, nagmumukha lalong maaliwalas yung ating bahay. So here is the back door. So let's go inside of our Series 65. Ang makikita natin dito sa loob is the deliverable upon turnover of our unit. So again, we have the 1 square meter porch, and upon entering the unit, it is made from steel. The door is made from steel, and we have one doorknob and a double lock. So pasok tayo. So for our Series 65, you will get the same finishes as our Series 100. Upon entering the unit, andito yung ating magiging suggested na living area. And this part will be your dining area. And sa baba naman ng ating hagdan is our suggested na TV rack. Ayan. And then sa baba ng hagdan, Sa part na to, meron tayong toilet and bath. So, same finishes, katulad ng ating Series 100, may lavatory, yung door is made from PVC, and gypsum board pala yung ceiling sa CR. Kaya maganda siya, no? Kapag nababasa, hindi siya madaling masira. And a decent space pa rin sa ating bathroom na pwede tayo maglagay in the future ng curtain or ng glass for the division. So sa part naman na to, andito yung ating deliverable na kitchen and sink. So again, meron tayong additional na cabinets and grease traps sa ilalim ng ating sink. Meron tayo dito mga saksakan for our kitchen appliances, and here is our back door, yung pinakita natin kanina. Yan po siya. And here is the stairs. Again, it's still the same. We have a steel hand railings here. It's made from steel, then binuhusan siya ng concrete, and then pinatungan siya ng vinyl planks. So let's go to the second floor. Nakakadagdag luwag tingnan yung bahay kapag ang color talaga is very light, no? So pag-akyat ng second floor, nandito yung ating toilet and bath. Again, it still have the same finishes kung ano ang meron sa first floor. And here is our first bedroom. The door is made from MDF. And then you still have a vinyl plank sa sahig. And this is still a aluminum window frame. Kinagandaan talaga kapag end unit may additional kang windows ulit. Tapos meron na rin tayong provision for aircon. Window type po siya. And for the second bedroom, ito siya. This is a squarish type na second bedroom natin. It can fit a single bed, and for additional bed, pwede tayo maglagay ng pull-out. Ayan. So, one windows para dito sa atin. And for the last bedroom, ito po siya. Same po ang kanyang finishes pa rin. Meron ditong windows. Yan. So, yun yung kinagandahan, no? Kapag kumukuha tayo ng end unit, talagang maraming bintana. So, mas marami yung direct sunlight na papasok sa ating bahay, mas maaliwala siya tignan. And naipakita ko na sa inyo ang ating Series 65 na deliverable upon turnover of your unit. Right now, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo ang ating model house or ang ating dress-up model unit para maipakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung pwede ninyong gawin once na may turnover sa inyo ang inyong bahay. And here is our model unit. So ipapakita natin sa inyo kung ano yung pwede ninyong gawin pag-aayos sa inyong bahay once na makalipat kayo. So this is an inner unit. Pakita natin sa inyo, guys. So sa part na to, naglagay siya ng pocket garden. And then, pasok tayo sa loob. Pagpasok natin sa loob ng ating bahay, kung makikita nyo, naglagay siya dito ng napakagandang sofa set. Ayan. And then, sa ilalim ng ating hagdan, nandito yung kanyang TV rack. Yan po siya. And sa dining table niya, naglagay siya ng good for 6-seater. And sa kanyang sink naman, wala siyang binago. Naglagay lang siya dito ng additional na overhead cabinets. And then dito niya naman nilagay ang kanyang refrigerator and ang kanyang gas range. Yan. So ito pala yung sinasabi natin kanina, no, na kapag kumuha kayo ng inner unit, dalawang bintana yung meron sa baba, unlike sa end unit na may additional sa gilid. So this is your window looks like kapag kinuha mo is inner unit. And this is your service area kapag inner unit yung kinuha mo. And here is your service area. Actually, it's still a decent additional area sa inyong back door. Kasi it can fit dito yung inyong front load or top load ng washing machine. And then, actually, you can also extend your kitchen here. So, additional na lutuan, ganon. And, beside of our back door, nakikita natin yung ginawa niyang pag-aayos sa kanyang toilet and bath, hindi na siya naglagay ng glass, no? Mas nakatipid tayo, naglagay lang ng curtain. Ayan. Pero ang ganda niya pa rin tignan, napaka-elegante pa rin tignan, no? Ang linis niya tignan. And then, dito naman yung hagdan natin, walang binago. Naglagay lang siya dito ng paint, additional na aesthetic ng bahay. And eto, napaka-elegante tignan. Akala mo mamahalin siya na chandelier, no? Pero kung tutusin, it's a very simple light bulb na color yellow and then napakagara lang ng design. Tapos, dito naman sa first bedroom, naglagay siya dito ng single bed. This is a boys room actually. Meron na tayong window type aircon dyan na provision. So, ang nilalagay dito sa mga gantong klaseng houses is yung built-in cabinet. Nakakatulong siya na ma-maximize yung space natin. So, by the way, this is the second room. Again, naglagay lang ng single bed. Pero kung marami kayong beds, kasya talaga dito maglagay ka ng pull-out. Actually, this house is really good for family member of 4. And then, dito naman sa hallway, naglagay siya dito ng additional na lagayan ng sapatos. Yan, may shurak dito. Ayan siya. And then, here is the master's bedroom. Sa kanyang dress-up unit, sinama na yung toilet and bath doon sa katabing bedroom. Kaya siya nagmukhang malaki tignan. Ayan. So, dito sa part na to, naglagay siya ng double na bed. Pero tingin ko kasya dito yung full double. And then, again, built-in cabinet para mas ma-maximize yung space. And if you are working at home, pwede kang maglagay dito ng inyong tables and chairs for working purpose. And that's it. And if you are interested, please send me message. Ilalagay ko sa description box ang aking email address and ang aking cellphone number para mas madali niyo ako makontak. I hope makapag-set tayo ng tripping para mas ma-appreciate ninyo kung gaano kaganda ang project natin dito sa Amayalan. If you'd like my video, please give me a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page para updated kayo sa mga offerings natin sa Amaya and Avidalan. Again, this is Albert, your buddy in searching for property. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video.